Hurulu Eco Park, near Habarana Junction in Sri Lanka. Wild Elephant Safari. A new travel experience. Come with me and enjoy the experience.
Welcome to
Hela Durante Hela Basin, YouTube. Production design presentation by Chaminda Kumar Dalawala. This is the Hurulu Eco Park Safari entry point. On the main road from Habarana to Trincomalee. About 2 kilometers from Habarana Junction. Adjacent to Habarana Railway Station. On the same side is the ticket counter and the entrance to the safari zone. For safari jeeps join our group. The other 3 jeeps of the group started moving forward. Those 3 jeeps are led by 3 female leaders. Several other members are in the jeep under those leaders. Experts believe that the best time to start the safari is after 2 in the evening, because wild elephants can be seen in groups after 2 p.m. Hurulu Eco Park. Wild elephants are like tame elephants. This is a newly built safari zone. Minaria National Park, Waskamoa National Park. It is located quite close to this. Both the parks are rich in large numbers of elephants. Elephants migrate to this region through those parks. At the same time, it rains heavily in these park areas, and the lowlands in those areas are flooded. It has also affected the migration of wild elephants to this safari region. Let's observe the Sri Lankan wild elephant. On Asian regional wild elephants. The Sri Lankan elephant, Elephas maximus maximus, is native to Sri Lanka and is one of the 3 recognized subspecies of the Asian elephant. The elephant belonging to the Sri Lankan elephant subspecies is a herbivore. Their favorite food is grass, tree bark, ripe fruits and palm leaves. A large mouth in about 200 kilograms of food per day. This green zone is rich enough to meet that need. That is why a large population of elephants have migrated to this area. Take a good look. This elephant looks healthy, nutritious. Hurulu Eco Park. Hurulu Eco Park. Hurulu Eco Park. Among the 3 elephant subspecies in Asia, the elephant belonging to the Sri Lankan subspecies is the largest. But African elephants are smaller in size and height than the subspecies. Safaris are experiences and memorable fun trips. The happiness of the team, as well as the family, is kept at a high level. A bully from this area is out on the street. This challenges the safari jeeps that interfere with the freedom of their kind. He was alone, but did not fear for his people. By picking up the jeep road, he is still moving forward, taking the road 4 jeeps on those roads. This behavior is an exciting opportunity for some tourists. That's why they move closer and closer. Now Siddhanta has changed his path and is walking wickedly in the forest. Tourists act at this time to fill the camera's memory with their camera lenses. Again, the elephant is visible from the jungle. Their skin color is darker than of Indicus and of Sumatralis, with larger and more distinct patches of depigmentation on ears, face, trunk and belly. For only 7% of males bear tusks. Hurulu Eco Park. Sri Lankan elephants are the largest subspecies, reaching a shoulder height of between 2 and 3.5 meters, 6.6 and 11.5 feet, weigh between 2,500 kilograms, 4,400 and 12,100 pounds, and have 19 pairs of ribs. A group of baby elephants who live and travel with 2 adult elephants are known as Thumpath Rena in Sinhala. But in that group of 3, there is a baby elephant with 2 females. The road through the jungle is difficult to travel, but the tourists make it fun too. They travel back and forth, following the clues they receive, hoping to see wild elephants. another wild elephant or two ahead. A large number of safari jeeps surround the area like a ring. Another elephant gets its food. They don't care about these human visits. Like a big hungry person who couldn't eat a few vel. We let him have his meal and moved on. Hurulu Eco Park. Causeway. In Sinhala language, it is called Sahopa Thupar Lama. This journey brings many wonderful experiences. Just as the streams that flow through this region nourish the terlatans with greenery, it has also helped to retain migratory elephant populations in the area. These kinds of wild elephants walk many kilometers a day while getting food. They make these trips alone as well as in groups. There are times when they even visited villages. In such cases, elephant-human conflicts are often seen. This has caused damage to both parties. Sometimes elephants are seriously injured and even lost their lives due to train collisions while crossing railway tracks. According to Sri Lankan law, taking the life of an elephant is a serious offence. When these elephants go to the village, human lives are lost, property is damaged, and crops are destroyed. That is why it is very important to protect elephant habitats and movement areas. By now we can see a group of several elephants. In such a group of elephants, there are mostly females, with only small male calves with them. Hurulu Eco Park. Adult male elephants live alone, separate from the herd. Ahead we can see the activities of the female and the cubs. The rays of the sun will not allow you to show these behavior patterns properly. Let's try what to do. Everyone likes to see the behavior of elephants. All these people are surrounded by using their trunks to watch the elephant drink water. After taking food, take some water and leave this place. Another special feature of this safari is to guide tourists to a viewing point on top of a high rock in this area. It will not be easy to walk on this rock if there is a lot of sunlight during the day. In the evening, when the sun was about to set, there was no obstacle for us to enter the rock. Apparently, climbing this rock is not that difficult. Harulu Eco Park. The clear sky is also very attractive. But although elephants can go up to steeper rocks, many people think that they do not climb mountains because they make it difficult to come back down. Therefore, the fear that elephants have come on the rock is minimal. You can also see a large herd of elephants. A meadow overlooking the rock. There are 2 elephants. Many local and foreign tourists are on this rock. All these people move to the viewing gallery above. At the top of the rock, you can see a fixed terrace built for observation. The observation deck has a viewing range of only 380 degrees. Local and foreign tourists look around from the place and are also tempted to make memories with cameras. I also tried to capture a great memory of that comfort in the camera lens and took the opportunity to pose for a photo with the senior pilot of our team, the guide, the senior engineer Mr. Sasira Kumara. At the same time, a memory was taken with a foreign tourist in the camera lens. This place is very beautiful, and the photos taken at this place are also very beautiful. Look at these photos. Again we move to the jeep to complete our journey. This is our safari guide Chanaka. Let's talk to Chanaka and hear some details.
What प्रमाण කොච්චර තියෙනවා?
ඒක සාමාන්‍ය අපි එන්ට්‍රන්ස් එකේ ඉඳලා ඇතුළට ගත්තාම අපි ගේට් එකත් එක්ක ඇතුළට වෙනකොට මේක අපිට දුර ප්‍රමාණයක් හරියටම කියන්න බෑ. අපි ඇවිදින ප්‍රමාණය. නමුත් මේකේ තියෙන අපසරය ගත්තාම මේක සාමාන්‍ය අපි ඉන්දියන් නැෂනල් පාර්ක් එක ගත්තාම හෙක්ටයාර් 25000 එකේ තියෙනවා. මේකේ ඊට වඩා අඩු ප්‍රමාණයක් තියෙනවා. මේක සාමාන්‍ය අලුතෙන් හැදිච්ච එකක් නිසා මේකේ සාමාන්‍ය එක පට්ටම ගත්තාම ටිකක් මේක දැනුවත් කියන්නේ අපිට දල වශයෙන් ගත්තොත් මට හරියට මේකක් කියන්න බෑ. මේකේ 25000 සාමාන්‍ය මේකේ ඊට වැඩි අඩු ප්‍රමාණයක්. හරියටම කියන්න අමාරු මේකේ. මොකද මේක ගැන පොඩ්ඩක් ස්ටඩි කරලා අඩුයි මේ අපසාරේ. ඒක නිසා අපි අපිට එන්න පුළුවන් ප්‍රමාණයක් තියෙනවා. සාමාන්‍ය අපි අලි ඉන්න පැති හොයාගෙන යනවනේ. අලි ඉන්න පැති හොයාගෙන යනවා නම් අපිට ඒකේ තියෙන කිලෝමීටර් ගාන කියන්න බෑ. සමහරක් විට අපිට කිලෝමීටර් 25ක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙමත් නැත්නම් සාමාන්‍ය කිලෝමීටර් 10ක් වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. එහෙම ප්‍රමාණවල තියෙනවා. සාමාන්‍ය අලි ඉන්න තැන් හොයාගෙන තමයි අපි යන්නේ. එතකොට අපිට ගිහිල්ලා ඒ අපේ තියෙන කාර්යය ඉවර වෙනකොට අපි දැන් එළියට යන අවස්ථාවනේ. අපි අර වස්තාවරකට නැගලා ඒ ටික බලලා අලි ටිකත් බලලා එළියට අවස්ථාවේ දැන් අපිට සාමාන්‍ය මෙතන කිලෝමීටර සාමාන්‍ය 20ක් විතර සෙට් වෙනවා. සෙට් වෙනවා. ඒ බලපුවා. එතකොට අපි මින්නේරිය ජාතික උද්‍යානයේ හවුරුළු ජාතික උද්‍යානයේ ওই දෙක සංසන්දනය කරලා බලපුවාම ඒ වගේ ප්‍රමාණයක් මේකේ බලන්න බෑ. මොකද හේතුව හවුරුළු නැෂනල් පාර්ක් එක මින්නේ නැෂනල් පාර්ක් එක කියන්නේ.
The end of the journey is an inspiring moment to remember. After coming out of the forest area and travelling along the main road for several kilometers at a fast pace, the journey ends at the starting point. Thanks to everyone who supported, and see you again.